Hello students, today we are going to draw ellipse by using concentric circle method. Here major axis is equal to 100 mm and minor axis is equal to 70 mm. Now let me start the drawing. First of all, here major axis and minor axis is given to you. So as per the major axis and minor axis, we require to plot a horizontal line and a vertical line. So first of all, as per the given dimension, I am going to draw a horizontal line of 10 mm distance. So first of all, draw a line of 10 mm. At the mid of the 10 mm, I will mark here midpoint at 5 centimeter, means 50 mm. Now as per the minor axis dimension, I will plot here 35 means total 70 mm vertical line. So major axis is equal to 100 mm and minor axis is equal to 70 mm. Now just put your rounder at the midpoint over here. Just measure the distance of minor axis radius 35 mm and just draw a circle with the diameter as the minor axis. I will plot a circle. Now as per the major axis as the diameter, from the same point I will plot here a larger circle. So just draw a larger circle over here. Now I am going to extend this line. Now divide your circle into 12 equal parts. So for that purpose, I will just hold my protractor over here, and as I am going to divide it into 12 equal parts, so 360 divided by 12, that is equal to 30 degree. So 30 degree of each of the segment, I will mark here 30 degree, 60 degree. Same for the opposite side. Same for the opposite side. I will mark over here that opposite side distance 30 degree angle and the 60 degree angle distance. Here 30 degree and the 60 degree angle distance. Similarly for here 30 degree and the 60 degree. So by connecting each of the lines, again I will divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So just connect the lines with each other. Similarly over here I will connect the lines. Okay, now I will mark the major axis and the minor axis over here. Major axis AB is equal to 100 mm, minor axis CD, that is of 70 mm. I will just put it over here, mark point 1, point 2, again here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 over here. Now from the inner circle I will mark 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash and 12 dash. This one is a center O. Okay. Now from each of the point from the outer side I will just extend a vertical line. Just observe over here. From 1 I am just going to extend a vertical line randomly towards inner side. Similarly from 11 towards inner side. Okay. Similarly for the 2 and 10 I will extend the vertical line towards inner side. Similar action will take place at the opposite side from point 4 and 8. From point 5 and 7 I will extend a vertical line towards inner side. Now extend a horizontal line from the inner points towards the outer side at both the sides from left from here 1 and 5. Similar action will be take place for the 2 days from inner point to outer side, from 4 days to outer side. Similarly for the 7 dash and 11 dash I will extend a horizontal line towards outer side. Similarly for the 10 days and from the 8 days I will extend a horizontal line towards the outer side. Okay. Now just connect the intersecting points. So for that purpose I will mark over here intersecting points of each of the horizontal and parallel lines over here. Okay. Now I am going to plot an ellipse from the first point A. Here I will just make dark A, B, C and D. Okay, so just start your ellipse from A to this smooth portion. Just draw a smooth curve which generates the ellipse. Just trying to plot a smooth curvature which connects each of the intersecting points with the major axis and the minor axis. It will complete the profile and the profile makes shape of an ellipse. Okay, just dark, you may complete it and make it dark. Just draw a smooth curvature. Okay, by using eraser you may make it correct. So finally I have plotted ellipse by using the concentric circle method. Clear? So it's a complete profile of ellipse. Notations and dimensions are required to plot in your examination along with your drawing. So it's the first method to draw an ellipse by using concentric circle method. Major axis 100 mm and minor axis 70 mm.